Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN8 semi-finals. Kaizer Chiefs won, Mamelodi Sundowns won. I'm joined by KG. KG, did you survive last?
Ooh. I survived, my brother. Do you know how I woke up?
How did you wake up?
I woke up after that wonder strike from Mamelodi.
From Mamelodi?
Yeah, that's when I woke up. And you know what?
Yes, sir. Yes,
after that collapse, when I collapsed.
Yeah.
From there, the team started winning.
Yes, sir.
Today,
Yeah.
I saw Rhulani running faster than Usain Bolt for the first time. Like a headless chicken. A draw, my brother. How possible is that? How do they celebrate a draw?
Yeah.
They thought they are playing shoeshine and piano all the time.
Yes, sir.
But for some reason, okay, they controlled the game in the first half. Second half, we came back better.
Yes,
we put them under a lot of pressure.
Yes, sir.
They survived. I saw a route.
Running like you
I saw a route ball going into the head of Mudau. That's not their style of play. But we made them. We put them under pressure and they started panicking and then it frustrated.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, in Muripe, we're going for a 1-0 win.
1-0 win.
And here, you know, that Bululu is the one that is denying us a win. That Bululu, that they are keeping, is denying us a win. My brother, come on. They also got a 1-0 a goal.
Yeah.
A last minute goal. At Ridgeville. Now the same happened.
Sure. Yeah. KG, I also want to ask. I had some Kosi fans complaining about the officials. What did you feel about the officiating today?
Okay, the officiating for my side, I think the officiating was fair.
Okay.
It's just here and there where I picked up that there's a mistake. Obviously, human error is human error.
Yes,
it happens. That's why there's VAR all over the world.
Yeah.
But let's take the game to Atteridgeville. It's gonna be a good one. I'm telling you.
So you said champion score at Atteridgeville.
Champion score. They are not scoring. They scored by a header today. They never do. It's not a tiki-taka. We are winning. Aswasabi. We are going for the Jakula.
Yeah, okay, give me a minute of the match first.
Definitely. Castillo, if it was not for Castillo, I would give you to the goalkeeper, my goalkeeper. I love him because he's proving haters wrong. Secondly, we are winning the MTN8.
Yes, sir.
This is dedicated to Dr. Kaizer.
Yes,
we want him to smile. We want to give him a win. Definitely. Yeah.
Oh
no, Laura. Because when you scored by mistake. Quadrateville. Our keeper gave you a win.
In football, we are benefiting with the mistakes.
You are benefiting with mistakes. You.